Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Equilibrium price and quantity shifts can be tricky, but we will master this microeconomics problem together in just a few quick and easy steps. To increase both the equilibrium price and quantity in the short run, we need a rightward shift of the demand curve. This happens when consumers want to buy more units now. If consumers expect prices to rise significantly in the future, they will rush to buy air conditioners today. This expectation immediately boosts current demand, shifting the entire curve to the right. This shift leads to a higher price and a larger quantity sold. That makes option A our final winner. You totally nailed this economics concept. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps carefully.